This is a call for volunteers to participate in the second phase of the Gut Microbiome Research study conducted by Monash University, Malaysia. I participated in the first phase of 1,000 volunteers. And basically, what you need to do is to register with Monash University. I'll send you the contact number shortly. And they will send you containers prepaid by courier, and send you videos on it with instructions how to collect and prepare and put in the containers your stool and urine samples. And then it's prepaid courier back to Monash, okay? And you will get like a 20-page report. I collected my report today. It's a 20-page report about the various metabolites and of the food I eat, as well as the gut bacteria, the important ones that I have in my gut. So it was very interesting because I'm a vegan, so I don't have nasty stuff like TMAO or what was the other thing? Taurine. Okay, but a lot of good stuff. Some of the good stuff I have is a maximum value, or above 50% percentile. Anyway, they're looking for volunteers because most of the volunteers they have is Chinese students, Monash University students. So they are looking for people who are above 30 and Malay and Indian ethnicities, so that they can build a large database. So with the larger sample size, you'd get a nice, bell curve, and then it's more meaningful for others to make comparisons what is normal for their ethnicity and their age group. Okay, so if you're above 60, for example, it's meaningless to compare you with a 20-year-old. So they need a large database of people of various ethnicities and age groups so that they can tell what is normal, what is the reference range, and things like that. So most of the studies so far have been done in European countries, which is not relevant to the tropics because our environment, our food is different. And even with ethnicities who are Chinese in China and Chinese in Malaysia is very different, because what we eat in Malaysia is, a variety of foods. We have Indian food, Thai food, Malay food, Chinese food, whatever. Whereas in China, the diet is more restricted. So they want to build a database, and this study is in collaboration with University of Malaya as well as NUS in Singapore. So they want to build a database of microbiome in Southeast Asia. So this study is free, and the report is a 20-page report, and it's very interesting. And if you want to do this privately, to do a stool analysis of this sort, it will cost you, hundreds, if not thousands. So I would encourage you to participate, and I'll give you the contact number of the person who is recruiting the volunteers, so that you can contact him and find out more.